At any point in time on your farm, you should have the following available. The first one is iron. You need iron for piglet injection on their 3rd day and 5th day of life, and then some to be repeated after 21 days to avoid them having this anemia. And then the second one you need to also have is the ivermectin, which we use for deworming. So you need to also have a dewormer available. And the next one is also multivitamins, multivitamin injections. You need to also have them available at any point in time on your farm, because it will get to a point your pigs will lose appetite. No matter how you try, they will still not feed. At this point, it's multivitamins you need to inject into your pig to ensure they start eating again. And the next one is also antibiotics, simply because bacterial infection is very common in pig farming. Majority of their diseases is just purely bacteria. So antibiotics will help you to cure a lot of them, especially those that lead to open wounds. Usually have the pen strip and also the tetranol. They are all forms of antibiotics. And also the next one is antiseptics. So with antiseptics, what we used to do is we use for disinfecting. Assuming there's an open wound or you want to clean a surface, you need to get this antibiotics antiseptic to clean the surface before you can administer maybe any drug you have. If it's an open wound, you need the antiseptic to clean it. If it is maybe you want to dip and you have cut the umbilical cord of a piglet and you want to dip it into it, that is antiseptic you will need to do that. And the next one, which is very important, is the syringe. It doesn't matter if it is single use or whatever, you need a syringe on your farm. Please always have them in different sizes. We have the I think we have 2 ml 2cc capacity, and then you have the 5cc, 10cc, and even as low as 1.5cc. So you need to get them in various sizes. So assuming you want to give iron to your piglet, this is not a time for you to go and take a bigger syringe like the 5cc. You are causing them a lot of pain, because you'll be giving just 2 ml of the iron. Getting the 2cc, which is very small, the needle is very small, you can get that one and inject into your piglet. For growers and the matured pigs, you can use the 5cc or even the 10. That one should be okay for them. So in all cases, you need to get all these I've just listed here. There are others, but I think these are the most important things you need to have them on your farm. And the reason being that if you don't have them on your farm and there's any outbreak or there's an emergency, sometimes you just rush to the veterinary shop and it is finished. Assuming your location, there's only one shop. You've gone there, the thing is finished. How are you going to get it? You might end up buying it at a very high price. So it is always advisable, once you go into pig farming, you have all these available. With the drugs, look for those that will expire maybe in the next 2 years. It is always the best. Look for those that have a very long time to expire, so that in case you don't even use them, they are still intact and you can use them anytime you want to. Alright, so this is what you need to know. And with the medication aspect, I've just shared with you iron, deworming, multivitamins, antibiotics, as well as the antiseptics for cleaning surfaces and disinfecting, and then the syringe, for the syringe to accept different sizes so that you know the pig to give a particular syringe to. If the needle of 5cc is used on a piglet, you are causing harm, so use the small one. It's always the best.